Today, we are diving into Tokyo's Tsukiji Food Market, where you can experience a true seafood extravaganza. You're stepping into one of Tokyo's most famous food markets, known for its incredible variety of seafood and bustling atmosphere. Even though the inner wholesale market moved to Toyosu in 2018, Tsukiji Outer Market is still thriving and offers an amazing culinary adventure. Here is a fun fact to savor. Tsukiji Market has been a hub for seafood lovers since 1935. It is one of the largest and busiest fish markets in the world, with vendors offering everything from exotic sushi and sashimi to grilled seafood and tempura. It is a paradise for anyone who loves seafood. As you wander through the market, you'll encounter a sensory overload of sights, sounds, and smells. Do not miss out on trying some of the freshest sushi and sashimi you've ever had. Many vendors offer delicious samples, so you can test your way through the market. For a true treat, try the famous sushi breakfast at one of the market's top sushi bars. Just be prepared for a line, as it's a very popular spot. Here is a tip for a unique experience. Check out the stalls selling Japanese street food specialties like grilled eel, sea urchin, and fresh oysters. It is a great way to explore different flavors and enjoy a quick snack as you stroll. And if you're a fan of cooking, Tsukiji is a fantastic place to pick up some unique ingredients to take home. From rare fish and seafood to Japanese spices and sauces, you'll find plenty of culinary treasures to experiment with in your own kitchen. Before you leave, be sure to snap some photos of the lively market scenes and the incredible array of seafood on display. Tag us at Pocket Explorer to share your culinary adventure. Whether you're here for the seafood, the atmosphere, or the experience, Tsukiji offers a feast for the senses. Bon appétit and keep exploring!